Hello everyone, it's me again and I'm back with this amazing recipe, the Dambun Kaza or chicken floss recipe that has been requested by a lot of you guys, and I decided to share this especially during this Eid period where we normally slaughter chicken during this small salah. So if you are here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and let me know what you think about the recipe in the comment section. So in the pot, you're going to add your clean chicken. You can skin this or unskin this, whichever one you like, and add enough water. If you have a pressure pot, that's even better, but if you don't have, you can just follow the method that I used in the video. Add in some scotch bonnet, some onion puree, some ginger and garlic, and of course I'll be adding some chili pepper. I love mine a little bit hot, and then I'll be seasoning with some salt and seasoning. After that, you're just going to give everything a good stir and cover and allow it to cook until the water has evaporated and your chicken is literally the bones are literally dropping off from the skin. So Dambun Kaza in the northern parts of Nigeria or in Hausa is a popular treat that we normally make during Eid festivities. It's a treat that we personally, where I grew up, we gift our elders this because it is more convenient and better for them to chew and all that. So we normally make this during Eid or Salah period. So as you can see, my chicken is all cooked and I will just be using a wooden stick or turning stick to just turn it like you would when you're making amala or semo. Because my chicken is so soft, this shouldn't consume any energy or take time. After this, you're going to add oil to this, but make sure that all the water from the chicken has evaporated. Okay, I will be adding more pepper, more onions, more ginger and garlic, and I'll be adjusting my seasoning with a little bit more salt and seasoning. So at this junction, all you need to do is to continuously stir like you will stir your amala or semo, and that's it. Okay, give it time. Keep stirring just like I'm doing in the video until it changes color. You will know your chicken floss or dambun kaza is ready when there is no little to no oil left and there are visible foams on top. It's foaming and all that. That is when you know your chicken floss is ready. So at this junction, I'm still stirring. As you can see in the video, I will show you what I mean by it foaming when it's ready. Okay, so in this clip, as you can see, there are foams on top and there is no oil as much as in the previous clip. So this is to let you know that your chicken floss is ready at this junction. I'm going to stir one more time and then remove it from the heat. So I will show you the traditional way where you're going to strain this oil from your chicken floss, and you will be left with this non-greasy, oilless chicken floss, which is, by the way, the best because I hate seeing chicken floss with lots of oil in it. So first of all, what you need to do is put a pot down or a bucket or whatever that can support you. Put a colander or a sieve on top, adding that chicken floss in. Cover with a foil paper or any nylon, and then use mortar. Is it mortar? Or yeah, in English we call it mortar, which is turmi in Hausa. Use that and sit on it. As you sit on it, the oil will be dripping. Literally, you'll be hearing the sound of the oil dripping. So normally I sit on it for about 25 to 30 minutes until all the oil in my chicken floss it's gone. It's has dripped out. So you're going to floss at the same time, remove the bones in this chicken floss, and at the end of the day you should be left with something like this. These are some of the bones that I removed, and this is your final product, guys. Minimal effort with just one pot with not much seasoning and all the spices, you achieve something like this. If you like the recipe, don't forget to follow for more, subscribe, comment, share, like, and don't forget to also follow me on Instagram. Bye.